Hi there, I'm Jamila Rabo of DIY Digital Trainings, and I'm here with something very important for you today to talk about, and that is how do you develop soft skills. Now, before we continue with this, I will want you to stay with me to the end. That's first. Secondly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that, and also tell others about us. Now, what are skills? What is the difference between hard and soft skills? What are the 5 top most important soft skills you should develop? And then lastly, how do I develop it? And stay with me. Now, skills, simply put, are what sets you apart from every other person. They are the stuff you're made of. They are made up of expertise, talent, knowledge, abilities, and so on that a person has amassed or learned over time. What are hard and soft skills? Now, hard skills are those skills that one can learn within a particular time frame through education or training that has a direct link with a job or assignment. Okay, you can give out 6 months to learn. For example, I learned digital marketing in 6 months. Now, what about soft skills? Soft skills, on the other hand, are the skills that cannot be seen or measured easily. They help you achieve work executed by hard skills. Soft skills are also known as life skills. That's because they are built over time and are grown over time. Okay. So, what are those top 5 skills that I think you need to develop? And don't forget, developing these skills is something you should do by yourself and be intentional about it. Now, the first soft skill I think you need to develop is leadership. Everything starts and ends with leadership. Leadership is influence and it starts with you. Can you be confident to say you are a good leader to yourself? Think about it. Leadership involves inspiring and guiding yourself first and then others towards a common vision. Secondly, resilience, something I also call persistence. This is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to adversity, and maintain a positive outlook. Developing resilience allows you to overcome challenges like they never happened. In fact, it will look as if this person is untouchable. If you're an African, you will agree with me that you need this skill more. Okay, you make your plans as an African only for the economy to change it for you and other factors. So you need resilience if you must press on to develop yourself. Now, teamwork or collaboration. This is the ability to work with others effectively to achieve a goal. This involves being accommodating, valuing other people's perspective and relationship. It is also a good sign of followership. You cannot be a good leader when you are not a good follower. Creativity and teachability. This has to do with exceeding expectations and going beyond the status quo. This skill helps you have a positive mentality towards work and life. You just discover that you are apt to learn new things. You jump at learning new things. Another skill you must develop is being nice and courteous. That is also empathy. Thinking about how others feel. Sharing in their pain and giving them the best possible support. It is about shifting from being self-centered to being people-centered. And that's not all. Okay? Other soft skills you need to develop. Seek to develop the humane part of you. See, hard skills can help you secure a job or start a business. But soft skills will help you keep it. And it will help you excel in that job or business. So that takes me to the next thing. How do you develop soft skills? Now, the first thing is to identify that you have a need to develop a soft skill. Perhaps you check through and you notice that your leadership skill is not that developed and you really want to develop it. The first thing is to set goals as to what particular soft skill you want to develop. Then access your current skills. Check and see, where am I? in this particular skill or that particular skill. Seek learning opportunities. Perhaps there are workshops, trainings organized for such trainings. It could be in your fellowship groups, religious groups, and so on. Seek learning opportunities. Then, whenever there is an opportunity for you, practice. Practice being kind and courteous. Practice being a leader. Seek feedback, probably from people close to you, your colleagues, your family. Then take time to reflect and evaluate. When there's an opportunity, collaborate and learn from others. Lastly, stay persistent and be patient. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something today. Click on the notification bell so that as more videos come, you'll be notified. Thank you. See you next time.